Hello students, today we will discuss about the chemical reactions. This is the part 3 of the chemical reactions. I have made two videos of this chapter earlier. You can see that video in the description box, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe surely. Next thing is the types of chemical reaction we will discuss here. First type is combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? The reaction in which two or more substances combine to form single product, that is called combination reaction. And combination reaction is also known as a synthesis reaction. See here, I will tell you an example of the combination reaction. For example, H2 plus O2 forms H2O. This is a combination reaction. Here, magnesium plus oxygen form magnesium oxide. This is also a combination reaction. One more example that I have told you, H2 plus O2, H2O. This is also a combination reaction. Clear? Calcium oxide plus CO2, that forms calcium carbonate. That is also a combination reaction. CaO plus CO2, that forms CaCO3. That is calcium carbonate. That is also a combination reaction. Next type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. What is a decomposition reaction? The reaction in which single substance break down into two or more substances. The reaction in which single substance break down into two or more substances, that is called decomposition reaction. For example, AgCl, that is silver chloride, as it is kept in the sunlight, it will break down into the silver plus chloride. How this reaction take place? This reaction will take place in the sunlight. That's why this reaction is known as photodecomposition. Decomposition reaction, I have told you, it is of three types. First is photodecomposition, the decomposition reaction that take place in the presence of sunlight, that is called photodecomposition. That I have told you, when silver chloride break down in the presence of sunlight, it forms silver plus chloride. This reaction is also used in the black and white photography. In the earlier time, this reaction is used in the black and white photography. Second type of decomposition reaction that you know very well. As we heat the calcium carbonate, what is calcium carbonate? It is limestone. It is like the formula of marble. Calcium carbonate, as it is heated, it forms calcium oxide and it releases CO2. See here, single substance break down into two or more substances in the presence of heat. That's why it is known as thermal decomposition. It is known as thermal decomposition. This is the second type of decomposition reaction. Third type here, electric decomposition, that is also known as electrolysis. See here, as we passes electricity through the water, then it will release hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. What this is known as? This is known as electric decomposition. These are the three types of the decomposition reaction. I think you got all. Now we will move to the third type of chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. Displace. From the meaning it is clear, displace. That is displacement reaction. What is it? What is its definition? Its definition is the reaction in which high reactive metal displaces the low reactive metal from a compound, that is called decomposition reaction. See here, zinc displaces copper here because copper is less reactive as compared to the zinc, and there will be a formation of zinc sulfate plus copper. One more example is there. Here iron will displace the copper. Why? Because iron is more reactive than the copper. Then what it will form? Ferrous sulfate plus copper. You can also call it iron sulfate. This is the third type of chemical reaction. Fourth type, double displacement reaction. What is the meaning of double displacement reaction? I will tell you here. Definition of double displacement: the reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions. I will also explain this. First listen the definition. The reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds. The reaction in which two compounds, see here, the reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds, that is called double displacement reaction. See here, barium chloride plus copper sulfate. Here chlorine and sulfate will displace each other. Sulfate will come in the place of chlorine and chlorine will come in the place of sulfate. Then there is a formation of two new compounds, that is known as double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is of two types. First is precipitation and second is neutralization. What is there in the precipitation reaction? The reaction in which there is a formation of precipitate. The reaction in which there is a formation of insoluble solid in the mixture, that is called precipitation reaction. See here, as we will react barium chloride plus copper sulfate, there will be a formation of barium sulfate, that is white precipitate. What is the meaning of precipitate? That is an insoluble solid that settle down at the mixture, that is called precipitate. The reaction in which there is a formation of precipitate, that reaction is called precipitation reaction. Next type is neutralization. Neutralization means the reaction in which acid reacts with the base to form salt and water. You know very well, when there is a acidity in the stomach, we take ENO. What ENO consists? ENO consists of base. As that base goes to our stomach, it neutralizes the effect of acid. And what will be the their formation? There will be a formation of salt. See here, for example, HCl, it is an acid, it reacts with the NaOH. NaOH is a base, that is known as sodium hydroxide. Then there will be a formation of NaCl. NaCl is a common salt, and plus there will be a formation of water. This is the neutralization reaction and the second type of double displacement reaction. Now we will move to the fifth reaction, that is redox reaction. What is redox? It will be clear from the name, redox, RED. RED means reduction. OX means oxidation. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction both take place together, that is called redox reaction. For example, see here, copper oxide when reacts with the hydrogen. When copper oxide reacts with the hydrogen, there is a formation of copper plus H2. Where the oxidation reduction both take place here, that I will tell you. See here, copper oxide changes into the copper. Here is a removal of oxygen. The reaction in which removal of oxygen take place, that is called reduction. What that is called? Reduction. The reaction in which removal of oxygen take place, that reaction is called reduction. See here, H2 changes into the H2O. Here only H2 and here H2. It means addition of oxygen. That process is called oxidation. See here, in this reaction both reduction and oxidation take place, and this reaction is known as redox reaction. Now I will tell you one more thing. What is the definition of oxidation reaction? The reaction in which oxygen is added and hydrogen is removed, that reaction is called oxidation reaction. And the reaction in which hydrogen is added and oxygen is removed, that is called reduction. And both when take place together, that is called redox reaction. Please subscribe, share and comment, give feedback about the video. Thanks.